Good morning, kids. I hope you all are enjoying your sessions. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about festivals of India. You all know that in India we celebrate many festivals, and today we are going to talk about few religious festivals. So, let's start with it. So, India is a land of many festivals, I just said. So, objective of this PPT or this session is to know about various religious festivals and their significance, to develop the feeling of patriotism, cooperation, oneness and love for the country and the people, and to also learn about or to learn to live in harmony with nature and appreciate rich culture of our motherland, that is India. So, first festival I am going to talk about is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan, the bond of protection. It is a Hindu religious festival which celebrates the relationship between brothers and sisters. It is celebrated on the full moon of the month of Shravan. And on this day, all the sisters tie Rakhi around the wrist of their brothers. And all the brothers promise them that they will be there for them all the time, especially in the time of hardship or whenever they require them. So basically, this festival it is to increase the love bond between brother and sister. Next is Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in grand manner all over the India, and it is basically a 10 days festival, and idols are placed everywhere and puja is done in very grand manner. He is considered to be the first god, and on the 10th day the idol of the goddess Ganesha is immersed into the water. And during this festival, people love to eat modak and laddus. As Ganeshji love modak and laddu, so they make sweet dish modak and laddu for them, and they eat it also. They make delicious food during this time. They worship God Ganesha, and they ask for health and blessings of Ganesha. This festival is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra, Goa and many places, basically all over the world. Now let's go to the next one. Durga Puja. Durga Puja, worship of Durga, is an annual Bengali festival that celebrates worship of Hindu goddess Durga Ji. And it is a 5-day festival. People worship Durga Ji, and on the 5th day the idol of the Durga Ji is immersed into the water. During these days, people cook many sweet dishes, many delicious food, they wear new clothes, and they celebrate this festival with lot of enthusiasm. Now Holi. Holi, also called the festival of colors. It is a popular Hindu spring festival. The main day Holi, also known as Dhuleti, Dhulendi or Dhulendi, is celebrated by people by throwing colors, powder and color water at each other. Basically, this festival celebrates the unity, this festival celebrates the togetherness, and people love to spend time with each other, and by spreading colors, by throwing colors on each other, they also show their love towards each other. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of the Sikh faith, was born in the month of Kartik, that is October-November, and his birthday is known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. And it is mainly celebrated by the Sikhs, but now it is celebrated all over the India. Onam. Onam is Kerala's most popular festival. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm. It is primarily a harvest festival celebrated to welcome the spirit of pious King Mahabali from eternal exile and to assure him that his people are happy and wish him well. And on this day, people cook rice, special rice, and they make delicious food and special sweets. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light, as you all know. The festival of light is one of the most beautiful of Indian festivals. It comes 21 days after Dussehra and celebrates the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after his 14 years exile. Homes are decorated, sweets are distributed by everyone, and thousands of lamps lit in houses all over the country, making it a night of enchantment. So, and this festival, on this festival, people make delicious food, they exchange gifts, they decorate their houses, and they also love to spend time with their family members, and they wear new clothes, they give gifts to each other, they get new things on this day. So Diwali is a big festival of Hindus. Eid or Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr, often abbreviated to Eid, is a Muslim holiday that marks the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. And this festival is celebrated with lot of enthusiasm. They wait for this festival the whole year. They wear new clothes, they make they cook delicious food and the sweets, especially is sevenia, and they exchange gifts with their near and dear ones. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December every year. The birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated as Christmas. So, on the day of Christmas, people go to church, they do prayers, and they eat cakes, they exchange gifts. So, Christmas is a very big festival for Christians. But it is celebrated all over the India with lot of enthusiasm. Now, as a homework, you need to make a collage of religious festivals in your scrapbook, and you can send it to your GK teacher. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this session, and you must have come to know that we belong to a country which celebrates all the festivals with lot of enthusiasm, with happiness, and they have a feeling of togetherness. Thank you everyone.